the Grim Reaper!
Hey guys, look who I found! And I met her sweet cousin. Oh, I love this so much. I like this one. Oh, that's gnarly. I can't thank you. Oh, this is so tall. And it's my favorite color. Y'all know I was gonna find the Honda Rebel. Y'all knew I was gonna find a Honda Rebel. They're so pretty. I found my bike twin and they have a cute flower and now I'm gonna steal their idea. There's like hella bikes here too. Look how cool this is. So many cool bikes. Very nice, very nice. An orange Honda. That's not something you see often. Y'all, look at my baby. She's at her first bike meet. Mod on her too. Her got new mirrors and they're blue. And of course we had to do the carbon fiber. If you know, you know. Okay guys, I'm a sweaty mess, but officially finished up today's car show, bike show. It was actually a toy drive. I did not think that it was going to be as huge as it was. I tried to get a couple of clips, but y'all know I'm just a shy girl, so we're gonna see. But hella bikes, hella nice bikes, hella cars, hella old school cars. And you know, y'all know I fuck heavy with old school. I had so much fun. It was a little sketch on the way over here because it started to like sprinkle, and I've never ridden in the rain. Okay, I've never drove in the rain, so it was fine. The sun's out. It's beautiful now. We're starving. Hopefully we can grab some food because I only had like this much Alani and no coffee, and I've just been going since 6 a.m. Anyways, I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.